Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back, RTR Budget Builds. Today, we're gonna discuss something that just arrived. Here we go. Beadlocks, baby, Beadlocks. 1.9 Beadlocks. It comes with tires. Later, I'll show you. But let's open the rims first. Ho 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 ho! Look at that. Nice. Hey, kinda heavy, but we'll see later. Here we go. Yeah, real nice. Comes all with the locks, front and back, of course. I'll show you later how to put this together. These are the tires. They have foam inserts, but I really don't like them, so I'll take them off and put them on. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. In order for you guys to do this, to put the tires on the beadlocks, you need something like this: a star or a Allen key. On this size, I don't know the precise size, but see, I think that is size is 2. It's actually the second one. 2 mm. Yeah. So either you have this or this. These does not come with this, so if you buy a set, please make sure you have either, so you won't be disappointed when it comes to you. But I have this. I'm gonna use this now. This one, I don't want to take that off anymore because I don't need to. Just put the others. You can actually thread lock this if you want to, so they won't really come off. You can put thread lock. I'll put maybe some later on, so I won't bore you with all of it. This one is also very helpful because it is magnetic, so you won't have a hard time. Then the back, we have to take it out first because we have to take off the ring. When you do this, also make sure you have a tray for the screws, so you won't lose any. There are some spare screws for you inside the package, but of course, losing ones is a nuisance. So what do we do next? It's the tires. Get tires, get one. Actually, the tires is actually J Concepts, and I really like it. They're so sticky. As you can see, these are thread blocks. They're called thread blocks. They're separate nicely. I think this one is all-terrain. What does it say? It says ruptures and J Concepts 1.9 rim size. Here we go. Oh, sorry. The ring first. Don't forget the ring. The ring goes first. Once it is actually inside, face, put in. Here comes the hard part. Well, when you insert it, you make sure that the lip is inside. Otherwise, if you don't, you will have a hard time putting this ring back. It is hard. It's going to be a struggle for you also, as I struggle, but you'll get there. See, you have to make sure that those are aligned with each other. So when you press it in, it's easier to push inside. See, there you go. Please note that when you put one inside, don't thread it all the way, so you won't ruin your beadlock. Put the next one to the opposite side. Thread it. Again, don't thread it all the way. Just make sure it connects. Just like a star patterns. And there you go. When it's all in, you simply screw them all. But to don't push it all the way through again. Just, it's enough to, you feel that it's actually tightening, that's enough. See? Go around first before you tighten them all. So you won't mess up the threads inside. Just go around. Now there it is. It's going tighter now. Really tight. There you go. There you go. There you go. Last round. Yep, that's it. Then again, check on the front. If there's any loose screws, tighten them up. Tighten it up. All the way around. Check them all again and again and again, so you won't miss any. Everything looks good. That's nice. That's very nice. Really looks good. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're gonna ask what the outer diameter is, well, here we go. Okay, here we go. See, E, and the final is, well, it should be 90, but yeah, it's there. See, that's the outer diameter. If you guys are asking what or where am I gonna put this on, well, that would be a surprise for you later on. For now, I'm gonna finish this. The rims and the tires, I got it for 1,346 pesos. That's around $23, I'd say. It's really cheap, but it's really nice. I got it on sale on an online store. It's actually Lazada in the Philippines, so if you guys want to check it out, wait for the sale. It's really good. It's really nice. Well, there you go. That's it. Thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe.